G'day trendsetters, and welcome to 3 Minute Monday. Or at least that's what I'm calling it for now. But see if I can make a quick little video in like around 3 minutes long, just on little odds and bods that I can't make a full decent video out of. Today I've got this bearded iris called Mini Custard. I don't know if you can see it there. I picked this up at the Queensland Garden Expo, not the weekend gone, the weekend before, and it's what you would call a bearded iris. But rather than plant it straight into the garden, I just want to pop it into a pot. Now, it's usually just packaged, as you can see the root systems there, it's usually just packaged in a bit of damp sawdust, just to stop the roots from drying out. We don't really want that. And all I need to do, about half fill the pot. That's probably about 2/3 actually. I'm not going to trim those, I'll just put them straight in. And I want to, I can't bury the new growth. So I need to keep these shoots, the base of these shoots, above the top of the potting mix. That's really all I'm concerned about at this stage. I'll have another go. I need to tuck those roots right down. There we go. That's better. Alright, that's it, job done. I'll leave that until the weather warms up and I can prepare a decent bit of garden bed to plant this guy in. I'm not going to get a flower out of it this year, but I will hopefully next year. I'll water that with a bit of sea salt just to get things started, and just keep it moist until I'm ready to plant it out. But that's it. Mini Custard. I can't even actually, there's no description of it at all. I don't really know what they mean by mini. So it's just a bearded iris Mini Custard. I guess I'll just wait and see how big and how pretty it is. But it is yellow, which is my favourite colour. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a like and subscribe if you will, please. It's always much appreciated to help the channel grow and get things cranking. And thanks for watching. Cheers.